version of yourself. Well, I, Angel from 10th Standard, welcomes you all in today's morning assembly. We are very grateful to have a proper education, weekly activities and weekly tests regularly. Prayer is the key of the morning and vault of the evening. So let's begin our morning assembly with a beautiful prayer with Nandini. Which catch our souls. So I would like to call Shubham for a wonderful thought.
Good morning all of you, my name is Shubham from class 10th and today's thought is: a goal that is not planned is a wish and a dream that is not chased is a fantasy. Thanks and have a nice day.
Thank you Shubham for an inspirational thought. Now I would like to call Anu to update with the current news.
All, myself Anu from 10th Standard. Today some news headlines are: Mercury's declared emergency as oil spills crisis forces. Aircraft touches down 1 kilometer into runway before crashing in Kerala. Everyone was crying. Severe recalls movement before Kerala plane crashes. Now, thanks and have a nice day.
Anu for updating us. So now I would like to call a small little chant to recite a wonderful poem.
Good morning all of you. My name is Hardik. Today my poem is Ding Dong Bell. Ding dong bell, pussy in the well, who put her in, little Tommy thin, who put out, little Tommy stout. Thank you, have a nice day.
Peace begins with an expectations ends. So now I would like to call Dipanshu for a religious thought.
सुप्रभात, मैं दीपांशु कक्षा 10वीं डी से आज गीता श्लोक पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ। योगस्थ कुरु कर्माणि संग व्यर्थवा धनंजय सिद्ध सिद्धियों समो भूतवा समस्वम योग उच्यते। यह श्लोक श्रीमद् भागवत गीता के दूसरे अध्याय सांख्य योग से है, जिसमें भगवान श्री कृष्ण अर्जुन को उपदेश देते हुए कहते हैं कि तू अपने मोह का त्याग कर और योग में जम जा। चाहे तुझे सफलता मिले या असफलता, दोनों ही स्थितियों में तू अपने मन को स्थिर रख। इसी समता को अर्जुन योग कहते हैं। धन्यवाद।
It's time to end our morning assembly. At last, I would like to say that be connected with your live classes to make your future better. Thank you.